Let's see. Big, 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 big smile. Oh
Wow,
my God.
So pretty.
Looks really good. How do you like it?
I like it a lot. Feels so different.
Feels weird, huh? Nothing in there? Smooth? Nice and clean?
Yeah.
How was the experience coming here?
It was good.
Good?
Yeah, I liked it. Yeah.
Did you have fun coming here?
I did.
You did. Good. Do you have anything to say to Dr. Berg?
Thank you so much.
Well, you have a beautiful smile. You're very pretty, and you should continue smiling, all right?
Thank you.
Congratulations.